We go. 262. This thing never goes off. Went off.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jackson County in Florida, northwestern Gadsden County in Florida,
oh shoot!
central Decatur County in southwestern
Georgia,
Seminole County in southwestern Georgia until 8:45 p.m. Eastern
Gadsden County,
or 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Version 3.
7:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of West Bainbridge, Oregon, 12 miles west of Bainbridge, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bainbridge, Donald.
The 261 off.
Bainbridge,
That's amazing.
Iron City, Brinson, Hanover, Offmeg, Reynoldsville, Little Hope, Rosedale, Recovery, Decatur Company Airport, Jinx, River Churn, Carpenter, Hornsville, Donaldsonville Airport, Seminole State Park, and Steamboat.
I guess the 262 is getting help from
For
the
your
521.
protection, move to an interior room on the
Makes
lowest
sense to
floor
me.
of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Oh crap.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
What if we get a flash flood
Repeating,
warning?
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Gadsden and Jackson, and the following counties in Georgia, Decatur and Seminole.
Georgia. Those tones were clear. That never happens.